Assalamualaikum beautiful friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe it first. So today we are gonna make cheese fries, okay, potato cheese fries. So here I have 4 medium size of potatoes which is boiled, and as you can see it's also mashed potatoes. Now I'm taking here 1 teaspoon of salt, or as you can take as per your taste, it's according to you. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 pinch of ginger powder, because it's already have so strong taste, so we don't need that much. We only use 1 pinch of ginger powder. And here I'm taking half cup of corn flour, half teaspoon of dried basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half teaspoon of thyme. So now we all just need these things. Now I'm gonna add these things one by one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm gonna add corn flour. Okay, now some chili flakes, black pepper powder, dried basil, garlic powder, ginger powder, thyme, and salt. Now we have to just mix it very perfectly. So now as you can see it's perfectly mixed. Now I'm gonna give it a shape. Now take some potato and fill the cheese in it. I'm taking here sliced cheese and I've cut into these strips, as you can see. So now after filling it up, close it completely very well. Now roll on the tray, so it will give a accurate shape. As you can see, straight and without any problem, you can give it a perfect shape. Roll on the tray like this and make it. Here 10 potato fries. Now I'm gonna take out some corn flour in it. So here I am taking 3 teaspoons of corn flour and 1 pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna add some water gradually and mix it. So now coat it by one. This sometime we don't need we don't have any egg, or it's not available, so you can replace it by this corn flour method. In this case you don't need any egg. Okay, now I'm gonna coat it with the breadcrumbs. It's enough hot. Now I'm gonna put it, and now we will flip it. We have to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. This is our final look of potato cheese fries. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to please subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed my channel, so thank you so much. And we'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.